In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you can simply hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the second one. If you want to, you can also pinch your device's display. Click on Remove button at the top right corner of your search bar and confirm your choice in the same pop-up as before. Then tap on Done at the top right corner or select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!